KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a really nice little springtime type salad. I'm going to make some fusilli and smoked chicken and artichoke pasta type salad with egg. Alright, let's get on with this. Let's make our dressing up first. I've added in around about 3 tablespoons worth of dried chives, and I'm going to add in around about a cup's worth of sour cream. Now, you don't have to use these measurements exactly, but we're also going to add in 1 cup of pre-prepared mayonnaise and a little dash of apple cider vinegar, just like that. So as long as you go 1-to-1 with your sour cream and your mayonnaise, you are going to end up with a really nice flavour. If you want it creamier, add more sour cream. If you want it a little bit more tart, add a little bit more of the mayonnaise. A little sprinkle of some garlic and some onion powder, probably around about half a teaspoon's worth in each. Give that a good mix, like I'm doing right there, and that can sit in the refrigerator for around about an hour, and those dried chives will end up being reconstituted and give a great flavour. So here I've got a pan with some cold water in it, or room temperature water, and I'm slowly going to add in some eggs. Now you can use as many or little eggs as you like. We're going to add in a dash of vinegar. Now I do that just in case an egg cracks, and the vinegar will stop that exploding everywhere in your water. I'm going to boil those for around about 3.5 minutes. Okay, and if you don't know how to boil water, well, you shouldn't be in the kitchen. Okay, so we're just going to boil those 3.5 minutes, and once they're done, we're going to take them off, rinse them in some nice cold water, stop the cooking process, and I'm going to leave those in the refrigerator for about an hour. Alright, so my next component for my salad is some artichokes. Now I'm just using artichokes that I've bought in a jar from the supermarket in brine. Put a little bit of oil down in my pan, and we're just going to toast these off just a little bit, give them a little bit of a nicer profile. Now Mrs. KP has already cooked up the amount of fusilli or spiral type pasta that we want for this dish, and this is still quite warm, so it's going to be a warm type salad. That's why it's perfect for spring. Add all your dressing in, just like I'm doing right there. Nice and simple. And if you haven't tried making a salad like this before, wow, they're amazing. Now get some smoked chicken. I'm going to cut that up nice and fine. You can actually even buy that from your local delicatessen, pre-sliced or pre-shaved. We want it really nice and thin so it just blends nicely. So there's all of our dressing. I'm going to give that a stir. I'm going to add in around about 300 to 400 grams worth of smoked chicken. This is going to last us a couple of days at least, and it's really nice and a budget making a meal like this. Now let's play it up. So I'm using a consomme bowl here, and I'm just going to put my salad straight in the center, and we've got all those beautiful flavors from the dressing and the smoked chicken all together, right, just like that. And I'm now going to add in a little bit of baby bocconcini. I've just cut those in half just so it goes a little bit further, and they're a little bit smaller in the salad. Here is our eggs that we have peeled, and if you don't know how to peel an egg, again, why are you in the kitchen? We're going to cut those in half just like that, and look how perfect those yolks are. So 3.5 minutes boiling is the perfect temperature or time to make these amazing eggs. We're going to lay down our little seared artichoke hearts just like that, and before you know it, you have made yourself an amazing fusilli smoked chicken and artichoke and egg salad. Alright, how easy was that to do? Right, thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, it should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. If you don't like this video, hit that like button because I just said so. Right, hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there, and we're trying to grow this subscriber base. More importantly, leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. Sometimes they're a little bit negative, but hey, it's alright. I've got a pretty thick skin. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something nice and budget and real quick and easy just like this in the springtime or even in autumn Well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to it is mad pasta salad, and I will catch you next time. Bye.